All right, Wednesday. What did Keith make you do?
Keith made me do.
What did Keith make us do?
Don't know.
The issue of the framing outside the walk-in door, 45 mil out.
Oh, yes, because the walk-in robe, the pole, he shook out of it.
So, yeah, Keith comes in and he didn't like one of our stud walls we had up.
What Keith doesn't like is that Daniel has turned the timber 90 degrees to save some floor space.
What's going on, Keith? I don't like it. I don't like it. And he's shaking the absolute crapper out of it.
Is that a wall?
Structural wall, no.
No, it's a wall.
At the end of the day, it was going to be fixed to the end panel of the wardrobe, so it's not a structural wall. I had it on a 45 instead of on a 90, just trying to save a little bit of space to the window.
I've framed out many robes over the years. I've never, ever done it like that.
Any suggestions, Keith?
Well, what we'd normally do is just put a 90 by 45 wall in there.
I'm trying not to lose that little bit of space.
45 mil.
45 mil. If the code says we have to go 90 mil, I'm happy to do it.
What's I'm going to do? I'm going to go and check the code, because it is a wall,
Yep.
and I'll come back to you.
Cheers, mate. That'd be great. If Keith wants it turned around, they're more than happy, but it just shows, mate, he's not willing to make a call on it. He wants to get further approval for it, so it's obviously a bit of a grey area. It's not a structural wall, however, it is a wall, so I understand what Keith's saying, but we're just trying to pinch that little bit of space.
11 minutes later.
Hey, Dan.
G'day, Keith. How you going?
Not bad.
How do we get on?
Rip it out.
Rip it out? Once
Yep.
it on the flat?
Yep. So
We'll get on
top
it.
the wall.
Yep, we'll rip it out. Thanks,
Thanks,
mate. Keith said, no, pull it out. Not happy. He said, being a wall, it doesn't meet code because it is a wall. So I didn't know that. We're going to rip it out, redo it. Get it done right. Want it done right the first time. This is the second time, so I'm a little bit disappointed with that, but we'll get it done.